Okay, friends, so today we're going to look at comparing some numbers. So that means we're going to look at which set of numbers or which value has more, less, or are they the same? So let's look, right? We're going to look at two sets of numbers and determine if one set is greater than, less than, or equal to. Here we have our alligators, and our alligators are going to tell us which set is bigger. This is our alligator. Can we see some alligators that are going this way? Yep, that is our greater than sign. So if we see an alligator or a little symbol going this way, that means the number is bigger on this side. If we see some numbers that are smaller, that means less than. Our alligator is going to go this way. And if they're equal to, can I see some hand motions? We're going to go equal to like this. That means the numbers are the same. That's right. They are the same. So first we're going to look at some examples here. So here I have some teddy bears. Can you see the teddy bears right over here? Can you count them with me? We have 1, 2, 3 brown teddy bears in this box. And over here I have a friend stuffed bunny. And can you see how many are in this box? It's right there. It's one stuffed bunny. So if we look at these two groups, we could see that there are more teddy bears, right? Because there's 3 teddy bears in this box, and there's only one stuffed bunny in this box. So that means that this is greater than or bigger because there's more teddy bears. It is a bigger group than the one bunny, right? You'd want more teddy bears than just one bunny. Okay, let's look at another example. Here we have some candy. We're going to look at some lollipops. Can you count them with me? Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 4 lollipops in this box. And then in this group, we have chocolate bars. Can we see how many chocolate bars there are? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we look, are there more lollipops in this box? Or are there more chocolate bars in this box? Okay, can you turn to your neighbor and tell them if there's more lollipops? Or are there more chocolate bars? Okay. Can I see a hand and tell me what you and your partner discussed? Are there more lollipops in this group? Or are there more chocolate bars in this group? That's right, there are more chocolate bars because let's count them again. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 lollipops. And in this group, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chocolate bars. So our alligator is going to go this way because there are more chocolate bars and there are less lollipops, right? There's less lollipops than there are chocolate bars. Very good. Okay, let's do one more example. Oh, my favorite. Who loves Mickey Mouse? Me too. I love Mickey Mouse. So we're going to look at Mickey Mouse and we're going to count how many Mickeys there are. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes, there are 3 Mickey Mouses in this box, in this group. And then, oh, on this side, we have Goofy, another one of our favorite characters. So let's count them. How many Goofies are there? 1, 2, 3. Okay, can you turn to your neighbor? Are there more Mickey Mouses? Or are there more Goofies? Or are they the same? Is there the same amount of Mickey Mouses as there are Goofies? Okay, turn to your neighbor and tell them what you think. Can I see a hand and show me, are there more Mickey Mouses? Or are there more Goofies in this group? Or are they the same amount? Is there the same amount of Mickey Mouses as there are Goofies? That's right. There are the same. We have 1, 2, 3 Mickey Mouses. And we have 1, 2, 3 Goofies. So can I see some hands? They are the same. They're equal, right? Very good. Okay, let's take a look at another example. Here we have some counters. Okay, can you turn to your neighbor and count how many counters there are in this first box, please? And go. That's right, there are 5 counters in this box. Ready? Can we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then how many are in this box? 1, 2. There are 2 in this box. So does box 1 have more counters? Does box 2 have more counters? This is box 2. Or are they the same? Okay, show of hands. How many think there are more counters in box 1? Okay, and how many think there are more counters in box 2? Show of hands. Can I see them? Okay, and how many of you think there are the same amount? Show of hands. How many think that there are the same amount of counters in box 1 as there are box 2? If you said that there are more counters in box 1, you are correct.
That is correct.
Good job.
Tap
Okay.
the side that has more bricks and then tap the check mark.
Okay, let's do another one, okay? So we're gonna count in box 1. Again, we have how many? Turn to your partner. Count how many are in box 1. Okay, can I see a hand and tell me how many counters or blocks are in box 1? Very good. There are 2. Ready? Here's 1 and here's 2. Okay, can we count together in box 2? How many blocks or counters are in box 2? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Okay, so who thinks that there are more blocks in box 1? And who thinks that there are more blocks in block 2? Or who thinks that they are the same? We're going to show. Can I see your alligators? If you think that there are more in this box, show me your greater than sign. Our alligator is going to point this way. And we're going to eat the ones with the more boxes. If you think that there are less boxes on this side, can you show me your alligators eating the more box on this side? Right, because there are less blocks in this side and there are more on this side. So that means there are less. Can I see those? Or are they equal? You see your equal signs, right? Equal to, we have greater than, right? We're going to eat the box on this side. Or less than, we're going to eat the more blocks on this side. Or is it equal to? That's right. Box 2 has more. So can I see your less than signs? Because we're eating the box with more counters.
Way to go. Okay. Tap the side that has more bricks. And then tap the check mark.
Now we're going to look at a number line. Okay, so I put up 2 plots here. We have the number 2. And we have the number 6. So just to remind you, here's 1. This is greater than. We're going to put the symbol G for greater than. We have less than for the letter L. And we have equal to, which I'll put the letter E. Okay, so is there greater than? Is 2 greater than the number 6? Because can you find number 2 on the number line? Very good. Okay, I want you to work with your partner and find out if 2 is bigger than number 6 or if the number 6 is bigger than number 2. And which way is our alligator going to go? Is he going to eat this way? There's his teeth. Is he going to eat the number 2? Is he going to eat this way and eat the number 6? Or is it just equal to? And they have the same amount. Okay, work with your partner and go. Okay. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, finish up your thoughts and we're going to go over this problem. So can I see a raise of hands of who can tell me the answer to this problem? Yes, which way is our alligator going to go? Is he going this way for greater than? Is he going this way for less than? Or is he going this way for equal to? Right, if we want to refresh our symbols, here we have our alligators. Right, greater than, less than, and equal to. And that's right, it is less than. Our alligators going for the number 6. He's hungry and he wants to eat the number 6. Okay, let's do another example. I'm going to move this counter. We're going to put him at number 4. And this one right there. So for this problem, I want you guys to work with your table groups, okay? We're going to look at this one. See, can you see the number line? We have both counters are on the number 4. So are we going to use our greater than symbol? Our alligator going to eat this way. Are we going to use our less than symbol? And our alligator is going to go this way and eat this number because it's bigger. Or are they equal to? Are there the same amount of values on this side as there are on this side? Okay, work with your table group and solve this problem. Do you think there are more? Do you think they're greater than? Do you think they're less than? Or do you think they are equal to? And 3, 2, 1. Okay, so who can answer this question? Who thinks that they are more or greater than on this side? Is it less than and greater on this side? Or are they equal to? Very good. They are equal, right? Because we have both counters are on the number 4. We have 4 dots. Can we draw 4 dots? Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4 dots on that side. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 dots on this side. Very good. Okay. So now you have some examples. I want you guys to go into your math journals and you have a problem that I want you to work out. Okay, you have 3 questions. We have 3 and the number 1. We have 6 and the number 9. And we have 5 and 5. And I want you to go into your math journals and complete these questions. And then I'll come around, and if you guys have any questions, I can answer any questions you have. But I want you to finish these questions, and if you complete them all and I sign off on it, you will get a stamp in your math journal. Okay? Okay, and go. All right, very good, you guys. Okay, I'm going to start walking around and seeing how you guys did and check off and see what symbols you did. So remember, we have greater than, less than, and equal to that you can use. Okay, good job.